We hack the system, you fly for less. We do love to say that. Let's prove it with a closer look at the Kiwi.com app. Yes, the world is yours when you start using our app, and you can enter it without even signing in. Though if you do, you can enjoy so much more. See our other video on that later. At first glance, our app might look like any other travel search app. You can plan your standard round trip, choose when and where you're going, how much money you want to spend, and boom, 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 boom. It spits out plenty of options to choose from. With our app, we're not providing deluxe business super premium class kind of advantages. We're more in the territory of, I just really need to go someplace and I don't care where the I go. So you can search both anywhere or anytime. With the Kiwi.com app, you can also create multi-city trips with more than 3 destinations. We call this search tool the Nomad, and you can even choose the order in which you'll make your stops. It will create your itinerary in 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. If you prefer to mix it up with trains and buses, click the multimodal search option. You get a lot more from the Kiwi.com app, like our AR luggage measuring tool, the future of measuring objects. What else we got? Yeah, the Saved Travelers section. Because if you have friends like these, they will love you when we automatically check you all in. We also give you travel hacks. These come in handy when there's no other flight options available, or when flight prices are too high, or when, you know what? Watch these Kiwi.com travel hack videos.